Alright, welcome back to my channel. Just a little update. We're having another one of these days. It's minus 4 degrees. A car just drove past right there. You can't see it. I don't know if you can see that stop sign or that street sign. It's right there. There's a street sign right there. Right there. There's a Napa across the street. You can see it today, but if you look that way, there's a restaurant right there, a store right there, and then there's that little house. It's just blowing off the lake, and it's coming right into this like a tunnel. Minus 4 degrees. Not. There comes a car. You can see it. So you can see that car coming, but you can't see that car coming. So very hazardous. Everybody stay safe. So this snow here, this fell in about 45 minutes. You can see the cars coming, but they only show up when they get a little bit closer. So the wind is blowing. The snow has not been blowing down. The snow has not been falling down for about a week. It's been blowing this way. See, it's just the snow is going this way, and then it's going up. It's not falling from the sky and falling down. It's coming off the lake. It's called lake effect. It's just right there, right down this. See if we can see more cars coming. There's one. There's a car. And a plow. I know this guy stopped. He's not even at the stop sign. No, he didn't make it. All right. Have a good day.